Today I'm making carrot cake oats. Nutritious, comforting, and absolutely delicious. It is free of flour, sugar, oil, or eggs, yet has a soft texture and is full of flavor. It makes a wonderful breakfast or a cozy dessert. Our base is rolled oats. I'm using 2 cups, and of course 1 heaping cup of grated carrots, a third of a cup of chopped walnuts and raisins, adding some texture. Stir everything well with a spoon to combine the dry ingredients. Now, onto the blended ones. I'm using 4 ripe bananas. They are our natural binder and sweetener. Just make sure they are super ripe and soft for the best results. Then third of a cup of soy milk to keep the texture moist and prevent dryness. 1 teaspoon of baking powder to create a softer, more cake-like result. And then the spices, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, and half a teaspoon of nutmeg, the carrot cake classics. It's time to blend it all up. I'm also adding half a teaspoon of orange zest. I just love the fresh citrusy scent and the brightness, making the whole thing smell amazing. Continue until the mixture is smooth and fully blended. Once ready, it's time to bring everything together. Pour the blended ingredients into the bowl with the dry mix and stir with a spoon until everything is evenly combined. Transfer the mixture to a container lined with parchment paper and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 60 minutes. Let it cool completely. For the frosting, I used 1 cup of cashews soaked in hot water for about 2 hours. Then I added a third of a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and a bit of chopped vanilla bean. Blend until the cashews break down and turn creamy. Now add 2 chopped dates for a touch of sweetness, and blend again until the texture is super smooth. Transfer the cream to a container and store it in the fridge. You can do the same with the cake base for easy storage. When you're ready for a piece, take everything out, cut yourself a delicious slice of this carrot cake goodness, and top it with a few spoonfuls of the creamy cashew frosting. To add a fun little touch, just slice a baby carrot diagonally, then cut it again the other way. Flip one side around, and there you go! Cute, edible hearts to top your slice. Your carrot cake is ready to be enjoyed. Bon appetit!